Next is number 5 kana sumpay rin si Jas ka baliser. 5 is national programs. First is the Philippine Plan for Gender Responsive Development in 1995 to 2025. National Plan for Gender Mainstreaming. Kaning Philippine Plan of Gender Responsive Development kuno sa long-term plan para sa gender equality. Number 2 is Gender and Development or GAD. GAD. Requires 55 to 30% of government funds for gender project. Number 3 is framework plan for women or FPW. This focuses on women's economic empowerment, human rights, and gender responsive governance. Kaning framework plan for women o FPW nag-focus sa FPW, nag-focus sa women's employment o government. Example na niya kay kanang FPW kuno or framework plan for women kuno siya nag-promote nga nanay bae nga mahimong leader sa barangay. Next is women's right to participate. 1937, women granted right to vote after the national plebiscite. So kuno sa 1937 mo pa kunoy mo pa nay right nga mo boto ang mga bae. Kinadanan niya si Concepcion Felix de Calderon, Pura Villanueva, Calao, ug Josepa Lanes Escoda and others na palain. Women now have equal rights to vote and run for office. Sa karon equal ng mga bae, murag equal na sa mga laki para kabutar ng mga bae para sa una. Next is women and civil society. Is group such as Gabriela Pilipina, Yukipi, and Kilos Kabaro advocate for women's rights. Punish laws like the Anti-Sexual Harassment Act and Anti-Rape Act. So sila ang nag-post sa Anti-Sexual Harassment Act o Anti-Rape Act. Sample dani kanang si Gabriela usa ka organization nga nagtabang sa mga babae nga nabiktima sa domestic violence. Last is women and education. No general discrimination against girls in school. Gender stereotyping persists. Men dominate higher paying fields. Women's family responsibilities limit career advancement. Ano to?